Okay. A very good morning to all of you.
Yes.
Again, we have
Good
math
morning,
subject and revision of division. Revision of division, chapter number 1.
Good morning, ma'am.
This class we have done up to number line, repeated subtraction, division of small method, division by using small method, equal grouping or regrouping. I told you that what is a division? Division is a beta equal sharing or grouping. Division is a equal grouping. Okay, grouping or sharing. Now equal sharing, that I told you how to share the things in equal. And in equal groups we know the total number of things and the number of things in each group. We have to find out how many groups can be formed. Okay, the number to be divided is called the dividend. Now listen please. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. Okay, the number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The answer we get after division is called the quotient. The answer we get after division is called the quotient. Okay. Again, I will repeat this line. Someone is writing on the chat box. Please, I will repeat. Just remember these words. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The answer we get after division is called the quotient. Okay. Now, in our last class, we were doing this. Okay. Now, I was teaching you about the number lines. Now, suppose if the question is given 12 divided by 6. So, the number line, we have to draw a straight number line. Put number on that. Okay. The first one is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now हमें क्या चाहिए? 12 और 6 चाहिए. 12 और 6. 6 के now look at this. 12 से start करेंगे up to 6. Okay. 6. Now 12 to 6 is the number 1 group and 6 to 0 is the number 2 group. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2, 6 are 12. So this is our answer. Okay. Now again, I have to show you one more question. Now look at this 20 divided by 4. Now with the help of number lines, so I will draw the number line like this because there is no space, less space, so I will draw like this. Okay. Now we have to put numbers on it. Always start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 ओके। अब फोर टाइम्स पीछे जाना हमें 20 से पीछे जाएंगे 4 टाइम्स तो 16 ओके। देन 16 से 4 टाइम्स पीछे जाएंगे तो 12 ओके। फिर 12 से 4 टाइम्स पीछे जाएंगे तो वेट अब 12 से 4 टाइम्स पीछे जाएंगे तो 8। अब 8 से 4 टाइम्स पीछे जाएंगे तो 4। नाउ 4 से 4 टाइम्स पीछे जाएंगे तो 0 ओके। सो दिस इज अवर आंसर। Step 1 2 3 4 and 5 means 4 5s are 20. So our answer is 5 okay. This way we have to solve our number line systems. Now we have multiplication fact, division using multiplication fact. Division using multiplication facts. So what is a multiplication facts? How we can understand this? Now look at this question. I will solve this question. There are two division facts for each multiplication fact. हर multiplication facts है. Okay. Now look at this first. Suppose the question is given multiplication fact. Okay. Now this is a multiplication fact. First we have to write multiplication fact of 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Okay. अब इसका division fact कैसे निकालेंगे? See, I will write like this. Can I draw this on the notebook? Okay, okay. I will draw here only. Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, I will write like this. First we have to write multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. फिर क्या है? Division fact. Okay. Multiplication, I will write M fact. Multiplication fact. And for division, I will write D fact. Okay. Division fact, multiplication fact. Okay. First we have to write about multiplication fact. Suppose it is given 7 into 3 is equal to 21. अब डिवीजन में इसको कैसे करेंगे? क्या करेंगे? 21 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. 21 को अगर हम 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं तब भी आंसर हमारा 7 आएगा, और 21 को अगर हम 7 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर 3 आएगा. ये दो मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट है. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट के दो डिवीजन फैक्ट है. ये दो डिवीजन फैक्ट है मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट के. ओके. नाउ suppose if next question is given 4 into 8 is equal to 32. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट है. अब इसके डिवीजन फैक्ट बनाओ दो. ओके. 32 पहले क्या लेना है? 32 किसको डिवाइड करना है? पहले डिवाइड करना है 8 के साथ. इज इक्वल टू 4. Then 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. ये इसके दो multiplication facts हैं. Again I will do one more question. Now look at this. यहाँ पे इसका multiplication fact दूंगी, यहाँ पे इसका division. Now multiplication fact of suppose we will do 5 into 6 is a 30. Okay, now what we'll do in division, 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. The multiplication fact. These are the multiplication facts. Okay. Now in division facts, just remember these words, beta. Division of a number by itself. Division of a number by itself means collecting the given objects in groups. Okay, equal to the number of the given object. Okay, for example, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 5 divided by 5 is equal to, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Okay, then any number divided by itself, ये याद रखना बेटा, any number divided by itself, any number divided by itself is equal to 1. कोई भी नंबर जो अपने ही साथ डिवाइड होगा तो उसका 1 ही आंसर आएगा. नाउ डिवीजन बाय 0. अब ये ध्यान से सुनो बच्चे, डिवीजन बाय 0. by 0. Division by 0 means collecting the given objects into हमारे पास सामान पड़ा हुआ है, हमने उसको किस में डिवाइड करना है? 0 ग्रुप. कोई ग्रुप है ही नहीं है उसके साथ में डिवाइड करना है. So there is no way to collect objects into 0 group. और ओके, ये तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई भी चीज है हमने 0 में डिवाइड करनी है, तो 0 में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, तो वो चीज डिवाइड ही नहीं होनी है. ठीक है, देयर आर नो ऑब्जेक्ट टू बी डिवाइडेड और ग्रुप्ड. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम लोग ना डिवाइड कर सकते हैं ना ग्रुप कर सकते हैं 0 में. सो देयर विल बी नो ऑब्जेक्ट इन एनी ग्रुप. सो 0 डिवाइडेड बाय एनी नंबर इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, सपोज मैं आपको देती हूँ 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. So 0 divided by, remember these words beta, 0 divided by any object or any number equal to 0. Okay, 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. कोई भी नंबर को अगर हम 0 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे, 0 नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे, तो किसी भी नंबर के साथ अगर हम 0 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो इट विल बी 0. आंसर क्या आएगा? 0 ही आएगा, क्योंकि 0 किसी के साथ है ही नहीं है, तो उसको किसके साथ आपने ग्रुप करना है. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट, लुक एट दिस. देन क्वेश्चन आपको बता दिया मैंने, रिमाइंडर और क्वेश्चन के एक दो क्वेश्चन आपको बताती हूँ. नाउ लुक एट दिस. डिवाइड द नंबर यूजिंग लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड एंड फाइंड द क्वेश्चन एंड द रिमाइंडर. अब इसमें आपने क्वेश्चन भी ढूंढना है और रिमाइंडर. वेट बेटा, लेट्स सॉल्व let us solve a puzzle. Here is a puzzle also in our book, exercise 1.5. Solve the following. Okay. Now suppose, look at this. Please look at प्लीज इसको ध्यान से देखो. Suppose the question is given 12. I will write with the red pen so that you can understand easily. Now divided by is equal to divided 12 divided by 6 is equal to, now 6 divided by dash is equal to 3. Please solve this question. Divided by 4. अब जो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए वो 4 के साथ भी डिवाइड होना चाहिए. ओके, देन जो यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा वो डिवाइडेड बाय 3 होना चाहिए. फिर उसका क्या आएगा वो बताना आपने. देन डिवाइडेड बाय जो इसका आएगा उसको आपने 2 के साथ यहाँ डिवाइड करना है. ओके, नाउ हाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. If the 12 is given, 12 is divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is a 3 3s are, ये 1 आएगा. 1 मैंने आपको बताया ना. 3 को डिवाइडेड एनी नंबर, if any number is divided by its number, if any number is divided by, I told you na, if a number itself means collecting the given object in group equal to the number of given object. Okay, so each group will have one object. हर ग्रुप में एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. Any number divided by itself is equal to 1. Any number is divided by itself is equal to 1. So अब 12 को डिवाइड करना है 6 के साथ में. Now look at this line. 12 को हमने किसके साथ डिवाइड करना है? 6 के साथ में. So 12 divided by 6 is a 6 2s are 12. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. ठीक है. 4 3s are 12. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. ये भी ठीक है. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 4 divided by dash is equal to 2 और 6 divided by dash is equal to 3. So 4 divided by, करो. Yes, yes, I'll give you time, 3 minutes only. Yes, Peter, do it yourself. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is equal to Yes, Aradhya Chambal, what is in your hand? What are you doing? Okay. Now, look at this. I think everyone has completed their puzzle. Again, we'll do. Now look at this. Again, we will do one more puzzle. Now look at this. Okay. Now look at this. If the question is given 8 divided by dash is equal to 2. 8 divided by dash is equal to 4. Okay. 4 divided by dash is equal to dash. Now 8 divided by dash is equal to 2 divided by dash is equal to dash. Okay. Then here we have not written anything. This divided by 1 is equal to, okay, dash. Now first question, 8 divided by any number and its quotient is 2. So how we can divide? 8 divided by 4. Well done, beta. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then 8 divided by dash 2 is equal to 4. Okay. 4 2s are 8. ये आ गया आपका multiplication fact का division fact. Okay. Then 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Now 4 divided by 2 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. Okay. So this is the division fact. Now beta, we have solved the equations with the divide these numbers using long division method and find the quotient and remainder. अब इसमें हमें quotient भी ढूंढना है और remainder भी ढूंढना है. Now this is a divisor, dividend number. Okay. Now we have to find out the quotient and remainder. 3 की टेबल पढ़ना शुरू करो up to 25. 2 is less than 3, so we cannot divide it single digit, so we have to divide it these two digits. Please read the table up to the less than number of 25 in table 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. So 27 is bigger than this. 27 bigger है. 3 nines are नहीं आएगा. So 3 eights are 24. Okay. So 5. फिर इसके बाद में क्या करना होता है? इसको माइनस करना होता है. 5 minus 4 is a 1. Okay. So ये क्या है? 1 क्या है? ये 8 क्या है? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? 8 हमारा आ गया क्वोशिएंट. So we have to write quotient is equal to 8 and this one is a remainder. जो बच गया लास्ट में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिमाइंडर. रिमाइंडर इज 1. ओके. Now I will solve one more question. Now look at this. 69 divided by 9. Okay. So what we'll do? First we have to divide. Read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 6 is less than 9. So we cannot divide it with the 9. So we have to divide these two numbers. Okay. These two numbers with the 9. Okay. Then 9. Read the table of 9. 6 nines are 6 nines are 6 nines are, we have to write 6 nines are 54. Then 7 nines are 63. Then 8 nines are 72. 72 is greater, 63 is less. So we have to choose the less numbers. So 9 sevens are 63. 6 is remainder. So 6 is a remainder. And the 7 is quotient. So we have to write quotient 7 and remainder is equal to 6. Remainder means the left, the left number. Okay. Now we have some questions of now we have to solve this question. Please try to solve this question. 93 divided by 3. So 3 threes are 9. Here 0, 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay. Remainder is nothing. कुछ भी नहीं बचा. Quotient is 31. We can divide it 2-3 times. Okay. If possible. Now the next 96 divided by 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. So we have to write 4 here. This is a long division. Please. 2 fours are 8. 1 here. 6 here. 2 8s are 16. Nothing remainder. Okay. Quotient is 48. Remainder 0. Nothing is here. Now, if the question is given in story sums, just read the story and do the sum carefully. Sachin wants to keep 92 pins in 4 boxes. 92 pins in 4 boxes. Okay. That all the boxes contain equal numbers of pins. वो चाहता है कि हर बॉक्स में इक्वल नंबर जाना चाहिए पिंस का. हाउ मेनी पिंस कैन बी कीप इन ईच बॉक्स? अब आप बताओ कि हर एक बॉक्स में कितनी पिंस रखी जाएंगी तो वो इक्वल डिवाइड होंगी. सो 4 2 जा 8 1 2 4 3 जा 12. Okay, in each 0 in each box 23 pins will be kept. Okay, 23 pins will be kept in each box. तभी जाके वो पूरे 92 रखी होंगी. 92 pins 4 boxes में equal divide होंगी. Now that's all for the class. Okay, I will do one more question. Please do look at this. 65 guests came for a function. एक function के लिए 65 guests आ रहे हैं. कितने guests आ रहे हैं? 65. Okay. Then there were accommodated in 3 halls. उनको 3 halls में accommodate किया हुआ है. अब आप बताओ कि हर hall में कितने लोग होंगे? 65 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. So 5 here, 3. Okay, 3. 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So we have to divide it with the 3. 1s are 3. Now 2. Quotient and remainder 21.2. Okay, 21.2. We have to write it like this. 21 guests are in a hall. In a hall, accommodated in a single hall. Okay. Now there is one more question. There are 91 buttons in a box. Okay, 91 buttons in a box. If one shirt requires 7, एक शर्ट में कितने हैं? 7. How many shirts can be fixed with the buttons from the box? अब कितने buttons लगेंगे? एक शर्ट को कितने लगे? 7. So we will divide 91 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7. 9 minus 7 is a 2. Then 1. 7 3s are 21. So our answer is 13. 13 buttons in for each shirt in a box. Okay. Now that's all for the class. If you have any query, you can ask me now. And please do the practice, dear girls. Please do the practice. You are not obeying your parents also. Parents are complaining that our children are not obeying. They are not doing the practice at time. So please do this by today. Start it by today only. Please do the practice of each and everything. Your exams are ready. Your exams are on the way. So please get ready for your exams. Do the practice, learn something. At least 1 or 2 hours in a day. Okay, so now I will unmute you all. If you have any query, you can ask me. And do one thing more, beta. There's one more thing. I have to give reminder to your parents for the school fees. जिन बच्चों की स्कूल फीस नहीं आई है, I have given the reminder on their WhatsApp groups, but they don't need to contact me again.